Everyone, Moisa here, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a very special Christmas makeup look. Okay, so not that special, but we're here. So, before we start with the makeup look, what I'm going to be doing is half of my face will be kind of like a natural makeup look that's not too out there, and then the other half will be like a dramatic makeup look. And that's really just how that's going to be. First, I'm going to set the base of my face, so I'm going to put on some foundation, concealer, brows, and then we'll get into the shadow. Alright, so now that we have our brows and our foundation on, we're going to be doing our dramatic eye first. So for our dramatic eye, I'm going to be focusing more on the green side of Christmas. So I'll be doing like a little Christmas tree under my eye, and then my eye will be very like just green, and I'm like giving that little floral colors of Christmas. If you want to do a multitude of colors for your Christmas, you can think about Christmas trees and their lights and stuff, but since I do not have white eyeliner on me, I will not be playing around with that just yet. So now that I have a little bit of dark green under my eye and then like a little bit of green as my base, I'm going to go in with the yellow, just kind of give it that highlight for that green color so that way it stands out a little bit better. So I used a little bit of yellow to give like a false sense of a cat eye without actually doing liner. It's very natural in comparison to just doing like a harsh cat eye over it. I will be adding one at the end, but I just wanted to give an alternative. If you don't really know how to use eyeliner and you don't want to, you can just give that illusion. And this is the eye. It's really simple, like simplistic, and it looks really nice. And like, yes, it's dramatic, but you won't be looked at like you're a crazy person. Okay. So the next one is going to be very simple. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a nude look, and that's because sometimes you don't want to stand out on Christmas like this. So the reason I'm going to be doing a nude look is because gingerbread men and like gingerbread houses, anything gingerbread really, for the holidays is like a traditional staple. So I'll just be using like some golds and some browns to kind of give the illusion of gingerbread men on my eye for that. Also, if you guys want, you could use a little bit more detailing, but as I said, I'm back in college, so like I don't have all my tools here to do that. So I'm going to basically be doing the inverse of this. So my lightest base will be under my eye, and then we'll get darker as we go higher, just because it is supposed to be more natural. And if you just use the edge of your brush, it will make it look like a nicer line, and this one, if you use it more flat toned, it'll be more harsh. Just a little tip. So that's like the natural side of my eye. So these are the two eye looks next to each other. I personally think this one is really nice for every day, like honestly, especially with a darker skin tone. It's really nice to just have like shadow looks that match you rather than kind of make you stand out. Unless you like to stand out, then like go ahead, that is all you. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be doing finishing touches. So I'll be using my liner under my eye to make a little Christmas tree for the side, and then obviously doing some eyeliner and then putting on some lip gloss, and that will be the end. So I just did like a very dangerous look. I wouldn't recommend it if you blink a lot like me. But basically all I did was I kind of went in with my liner under my eye. It looks really nice when it's dry, but when it's still wet, it can get a little messy. So I would suggest trying not to blink. And it looks a little bit like this. It gives more emphasis to that green on your lid rather than the green on your crease as much. It looks like this. It's really cute. I don't often do it just because it is a little difficult, especially because I like to move my eyes a lot while I do my makeup, and you're really supposed to let this dry because right now it's getting all messy because I'm blinking. Alright, so the Christmas tree was a fail, so I ended up doing like a little bell. I don't think you guys can tell it's a bell, but like it has like the curve and then like the little dot at the top of like a bell, you know, with like the Christmassy ones, because the Christmas tree was a struggle and I still wanted to do something under this eye to make it stand out more, so I did a cute little bell right there. These are both eye looks again. I really love this natural look. I think this might be the look that I'm going to spend for the rest of the day. Definitely going to wash out this side, and this is what I mean, like the color gets messed up because if you blink a lot, your liner just kind of just doesn't like to stick, and it's like But anyway, here are the lips. This is more of a natural lip, but honestly, if you wanted to do a more dramatic lip, both of these would look really nice with red lipstick. I'm just someone who never really wears red lipstick that much. And this is the final look. I will put a poll up here. You guys can tell me if you like my natural Christmas eye or my dramatic Christmas eye up in the poll or in the comments, and tell me anything you guys want to see for this upcoming Christmas holiday. I will be doing videos for 14 days, so kind of like my little Christmas gift to you all. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.